Today we're talking about the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation and Concealer. I got the shade 01 Creamy Vanilla, which definitely is a little bit too light for me, but I still wanted to test this out. The details on it: Milani Conceal and Perfect is a foundation concealer makeup multitasker that combats under eye circles, redness, and imperfections for flawless skin. Features best-selling multitasking foundation and concealer formula, provides medium to full coverage that goes hard all day, natural matte finish, long wear oil-free formula, waterproof and sweat-proof. 100% agree their skin looks more even. 93% agree their complexion looks fresh and natural. 90% agree they have a flawless photo-ready complexion. Okay, so everybody like back in the day was trying this out and they said that it is the most full coverage foundation. I'm not in love with this formula, but I think that if you wanted like a medium coverage foundation from the drugstore on a budget, like this could work for you. And you have a little bit oilier skin. Maybe a little bit dewier skin might help this sink in a little bit. That's what I think.